All right, well this morning I'm working on braces. And as you can see, I've already got some already cut out. So these would be the braces for the main fan strutting system underneath the top of the guitar. And so here's my method for doing that. I have half of a top that I've designated for braces because it is a lower grade visually, but it's just as stiff and strong. It's just still quarter sawn. It's still no run out. Exactly what we want for braces. So what I've done is I have set up this is what I use to cut binding channels, but I've set it up so my cutter is at the distance that I want for the width of my braces. I've made myself a straight edge on one side. And now, if I'm going to go ahead and lower this down so that we can see what I've got going on here. What I do to cut the brace is I then run my mark along my straight edge. Make my groove. So once I have my groove there, as you can see, I have a nice little line. I then take a razor, sharp razor, and I cut. Now I do have a little bit of wave in the grain here, so I do have to take care of which direction I'm going. So if I start on one end over here, I can come one direction and then come the other, and it should work out pretty good. And I just cut in my groove. Take multiple passes, don't do it all at once. You'll feel it and hear it when it cuts through the other side. Do this side the same manner. Right in here, the grain kind of waves back and forth right there. Need to make sure I'm cutting it and not following it. Flip that around. This goes pretty straight right here, so before you know it, you have another piece of wood ready for a brace. And so what I will do is when I go back to my plan, I know this is as wide as the widest one I need. I can set it in, cut it to length, adjust the width if necessary, and move from there.